Hi. You're probably wondering what happened to my voice. Suddenly there were some problems with the voice acting, so write in the comments how you like the new one. This is not the final version, so leave your suggestions. Now let's move on to the video. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
More haste, less speed. This saying definitely wouldn't help the hero of the next video. If his speed had been even slightly lower, then inevitably, he would have met a train rushing at him at full speed and everything could have ended in tragedy. The reasons that prompted him to do this remain unknown. But they must be really good. In the south of Thailand, a huge elephant decided to come to visit this house without any invitation. The owners of the house were very scared, because they were there with the children. Fortunately for them, the elephant was too big and simply did not fit into the doorway. But who knows what it could all turn out to be if he did get into the house. In general, think about what you would do yourself if an elephant tried to break into your house. Tell me about it in the comments. After the sparkling Willy, the motorcycle decided that he should be alone.
Bye, bitch!
But the owner was clearly not satisfied with this arrangement and soon the freedom-loving bike was successfully caught. A huge lizard decided to join the picnic. But this guy did not lose his head and tied a rope to her to drag the animal away from home. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Therefore, in the end, the man had to use a long stick. A lizard entering the house is not so scary compared to a whole family of lions. Such a picture was a shock to the guys who had just bought a house with a huge courtyard. But instead of neighbors, this family of lions came to them for a house swarming to bask in the sun. The racer accelerated to 430 kilometers per hour. But by pressing the brake, the pilot did not hear the usual pop of the opening parachute and the car crashed into the safety net as a result, after which it hung helplessly in it. Fortunately, no one was injured. An ordinary day for this family. A father is playing with his child, but suddenly a king cobra is crawling right towards them. Fortunately, the father reacted quickly, picked up the baby and closed the doors behind him. Meanwhile, the snake continued to rush around the corners in search of a victim to bite someone. Returning home, this guy realized that he had left the window open and baboons came to visit him. They ransacked the entire kitchen in the hope of finding some goodies. The baboons ate the fruit, opened the refrigerator, drank all the juice and even broke some of the dishes. It may not be such a dangerous encounter, but it was definitely unpleasant for the host. But fortunately, they apparently turned out to be well-mannered baboons and therefore they even left a few gifts on the floor. In the end, the guys kicked them out of the house with mops for more than an hour. A real monster in the world of transport. Literally a dizzying trick was demonstrated by the guy on our screens, showing who is the boss here. Such tricks always gather crowds of spectators and a bunch of fans, and this is understandable. The adrenaline of such moments is just off the scale. I think each of you quite often visits beauty salons or hairdressers. And the wild boar in this video is no exception either. He just wanted to look beautiful, but without receiving the services rendered, the boar ran away from there, breaking through the glass door. What do you expect to see when visiting a 5-star hotel? Maybe a beautiful pool or luxurious furniture, but certainly not a huge 2-meter elephant right in the center of the dining room. The elephant decided to visit a few more rooms before leaving the hotel. When the crocodile came to visit, no one opened the doors for him. And then the crocodile got so bored that he decided to show a couple of tricks. That's how this moment ended. The desire to get a thrill pushes people to crazy actions. So the hero of this video succumbed to the call of adventure. Most of us think that bears are adorable, and I agree that they are nice to look at. But pleasant can be scary when you wake up at night and realize that a bear and a bear cub are invading your house in search of food. After finding some food, the bears quickly left the house and no one was injured in this situation. Thank you so much for watching. Now I'm trying to find a suitable voice acting, so I need maximum feedback. Write comments, leave likes. See you soon. Peace.